This shows you how to create a merge request in the scenario where you want two constituents to be merged into one. So I strongly suggest you open up both constituents in two different tabs. I have one, and here's the second one. So please decide which constituent you want to be the master account, because the other person, the other constituent, will be deleted out of Salesforce. So let's say we want this guy to be the master. So click on the plus sign and merge request. And then on the bottom right, a little window pops up. All you have to do is fill out two fields. The first one, contact name, is the final master constituent, and then the second box is the non-master. And if you hover over, you can see the instructions. Constituent to be deleted, i.e. will be merged into the above constituent. So since we're already on the master constituent, we know that it's ends in 5593. I'm looking at their donor ID. So the master, and since we were just on these two records, they pop up, in this little search engine, the search results here. So 5593, this is going to be our master. And I'm just going to go back to the other tab, and let's confirm, ends in 574. So go back, and 574. Get the John Smith, who ends in 574, and that's all you have to do, and press save. If you have any comments, for whatever reason, certainly type them here. But you just have to fill out the master and the non-master ID, and press save.